What's going on, everyone? Like most videos I plan to upload, this one's a bit off the cuff. I'm out in the middle of nowhere right now. I'm about an hour by motorcycle from my home, and I found a river. Rivers everywhere, but yeah, I just wanted to put something out, mainly because I just haven't been. So yeah, sorry, I'm not looking much at the camera. I'm trying not to die. There are rocks everywhere, but basically yeah, what's been going on lately is it's cherry blossom season, or was. You can kind of see them. Not around here. Maybe higher up in the mountains, yes, but not around here. There's a few near my house, but that's the thing going on right now. And starting at the end of this month is Golden Week. And then following that, it's going to be, like, it'll go into next month, which is going to be not good. Here comes Mr. Policeman. Somebody messed up. There's a motorcycle cop cruising up and down this road. To be honest, this area, everyone speeds. Not me. I am too scared to speed. I don't want to get another ticket. I've gotten 2 so far in this country. So, won't be doing that again. Both times were accidental, of course. I wasn't speeding, I just didn't quite know the rule. Anyway, yeah, so here we are. So we can, I just got new boots for riding. If I was wearing my old crappy hiking shoes, I would just walk across the lake over there, or across the river, but not in my new ones. But yeah, let's go for a walk. Let's go down that way. So I didn't catch the name of this river. I see a lot of safety notices around. There's also this up here. Seems like flash floods can happen here, but looks okay. It's not supposed to be any rain, but apparently when it does, yeah, the river can have a flash flood. Yeah. Can't really go that far, can I? Not without the risk of dunking this phone in there, and this phone is not waterproof. Or smack the side of a rock proof. Let's go up and around maybe. Someone lost a flip-flop. That's too bad. I'm a little disappointed actually. How much crap people leave. I don't know if that's where you should be doing that, like leaving garbage behind, but I don't know. When I went camping back in Canada, it was pretty common. If they didn't have dedicated bins, you'd take everything you brought with you back home. There we go. Let's see what's down here. I am glad I've got the new boots because, well, my old ones had no grip left. So when a lot of people think of Japan, they think of Tokyo, they think of Osaka, they think of, the big cities. But honestly, there is a large percentage of the country that is this. So much of the country is wooded area. It's where are you going to build here? I mean, they've already built kind of what they can, and B, yeah, there is a lot of protected land here where they won't build. Just where I am, Honshu, the main island, is bigger than the UK. Compared to Canada, Japan's a small country, but it's not that small. Again, compared to like the UK, which people don't think is so small for some reason. But yeah, let's avoid filming that guy who's just having a pee over there. Come on, guys. Just put your garbage in a bag and take it home. Your shoe, take that home too. I've already picked up some garbage around here. Anyway, let's get back on the bike. Let's go over there. Let's see what that is, and hopefully not get busted by the police for something. Hopefully these guys also don't get busted for something. So, yeah, we're gonna head over there. Let's see what's over there. So, I went to the other side of the bridge. Bridge is up there. It's kind of hard to see. But it's up there. And over here, cherry blossoms. And I've left my motorcycle on. Hold on. Well, what's left of them? See, they're only here for a week, 2 weeks. They're very, very, very short-lived. They're definitely not around forever. But they're worth checking out. There's a whole bunch up there, but that is some sort of medical center. Not too sure. Yeah, I just saw Can't see it in the video, I bet, but there's definitely a super bike over there. This road is quite popular actually with motorcyclists, and I think that's why the police make a presence here. And in this country, just don't speed. If you get caught, you're full disclosure, you're less likely to be caught speeding here than, say, like back in Canada. You know, there was I saw a lot more police out patrolling in Canada than I do in Japan. But if you get caught here, oh man, speeding here is actually, I think any traffic violation in Japan can be considered criminal. There is a swan? No, not a swan. I forgot what that bird is called. It's called a tsuru in Japan. I know that because that's my local station. It's that bird ran some guy's house. Who I'm sure wouldn't be thrilled. No, lady's out in her garden, she doesn't care. Anyway, yeah, that's what's over here. It's quiet. If I didn't have to work and I could get fiber to my house, I would live here. But my internet connection would be bad as it sits right now. ADSL. But yeah, this is over here. This is this area. Definitely not a scripted video. Definitely just me talking into the microphone. But let's move on. There's another spot back down the other way. Just so you know, no gun hunting. It's bad. It's illegal. I found a trail. It's very Zelda in this area. Neat. There's nothing over here, but it's just neat. Yeah, definitely not in Kansas anymore, that's for sure. Welcome to rural Japan. What's interesting about this area, hold on. What's interesting about this area is back in the 80s, well, 70s and 80s, I'm told that there was a lot more out here. Not just because the population was higher, but there was a huge economic boom at that time. And the economy was even bigger. I think Japan was number 2 in the world. And yeah, Yeah. This was all like resort area. I mean, not those houses, but there was a lot of, you know, resorts, hot springs, things like that out here. And this is where people would come to relax. You know, Tokyo's only, I don't know, if you take the highway to get to central Tokyo from here, it'd be hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. It's not that far. There's also like transit. You can get out here by train and bus. But yeah, unfortunately, once the recession hit in the 90s, all the tourism dried up. This area just kind of, you know, shut down. There's no one here anymore. You can still see all the old shops and businesses and signs. The old hot spring resorts out here. It's kind of cool. But I'm gonna go back into town now. Let's head home. Because that Mr. Motorcycle Policeman is lurking around. He is on the hunt. Oh, there he goes. I can hear that engine. They are probably some of the best trained riders on the planet. Like, I'm talking like discipline wise, like balance, just straight up. They're crazy good drivers. There's some videos online of them. The only thing I don't like is they give the female officers an 800cc bike and the males get a 1200, which doesn't make any sense to me. Back on my little bike, and I keep leaving it on. But first, what's down here? Neat. It's really calm out here. And anyone who comes here to Japan needs to... Oh, there he goes again. Oh, this time he's really pinning it. What's he doing? I don't think he's chasing after anyone. Or is he? Huh. Anyways. The Japanese motorcycle police are stern but fair. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't super jealous that their job is just riding on the motorcycle all day, catching bad guys. Now he's coming back. Just patrolling, I guess. We're not going to be going that way. Let's go.